How to send friend suggestion on Facebook. So if you want to send friend suggestion, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and after opening your Facebook, now you can simply choose an account, or you can also search for an account which you would like to suggest to your friends. And after choosing that account, now you can simply go to the right side and you will have that three dots icon. You can simply tap on that, and then here you will have an option which says copy link. Tap on copy link, and after copying that link of that profile, now you can open up your messenger, and now you can simply choose a person whom you would like to suggest. So I'll be choosing this one, and here simply tap on that message bar and you will get the paste option. Tap on that paste and then tap on send. So that's it. That's how you send friend suggestion. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.